I guess my message would be that positive emotions are really a future-oriented emotional state. Sometimes people think of them just, at first blush as being about the here and now and enjoyment. But the way positive emotions function, they set us up to be more resilient, more resourceful, better networked, better connected, and they are amazing resources for us to create a better version of our community over time, to help us build a world that we feel excited and proud to leave to our children and grandchildren.